Hello everyone. As all of you know that in previous video I worked with this container landing page. So in this video I will work with about page. If you see my previous project, here in my about page I have some information and one table. So in my new project I will implement it now. So for that, first let me open about file. So this is where is the about. So let me open with my editor. So let me open this and install both. Okay, so this is my about page. So here you can see that in container there is nothing, just there is a one line. So let me erase it first. So first thing what I will have here, I will have one header, let's say h3, and I will write biodata, and after that h3, let's say one horizontal line array. Then what I will have some p tags. Here first I will have name, though I will not write my name now, and this is just for father's name. Then maybe, okay, let it for now. So after that, if you see in my previous project, so here you can see after that what I have one array, and then I have educational qualification and the table. So for that, what I need to do, so after that let me take another array. Then, oh, I did a mistake here, not mistake, so let me give a div for all of them. So div, let me class it. As all of you know that I have made another class name other info, maybe other info. I'm not sure about the name, maybe. So if I go to the class and see, there might be a class name like this, the info. So other info. So I have already implemented it for my landing page, so I no need to work with it again. So then after that I have array, and then what I will have, let's say one h4 tag education. Okay, then what I will have a table here. So let table, for table I need to take table tag, and let's say class name, let's say edu, that's it, education table, suppose. Okay, so in that in table, normally we know that in a table we have a header, and then we have data. So if we see here is the table header, or this is the table header, and this is the table data, and all of them both there is one row, two row, three row, four row. So these are rows. Okay, so for that what I need to do, first I have to take one row. So this is one row. In one row, what how much data do I have, or header? Maybe 4. So I need to take 4 data. So first let's say degree, sorry, degree. In the second table header, let's say degree, then what was that, let's say institute. Maybe I did some mistake in that. This is not that much important, you can correct it. Then let's say passing year, then another thing, after that let's say the th for suppose GPA. Let's see GPA. Okay, this is for the header row. Okay, then if I save it now and go to my browser, so here you can see there is just one row. I have not given any style here, though I have taken like what to say, I have taken other info, so that it is no need to work with this furthermore. So what I need to do, I need to work with the table. So for that, let me go again. I have taken the header row only, so now I will take another row. So let's set here, and in that row what I will have table data. So for that I need to write td. So let a level, and then what's second data, what is institute, let's say Scholastica. I don't know the spelling, okay, let's let it there. And then let's say passing year. Okay, another table data. So here let's say passing year, let's say 2015. Then GPA TD, let's say, sorry, 4.9. okay, so this is one row, and let me take another row. So this is, let's say, O level, O level, O level. Then let's say another one. So then let made it like what to say, undergraduate. Okay, I have to need to look at it. Let's say 17, and then let's say 21. This is just 1.9, 0.9. Okay, so if I save it now and go to my web browser, so here you can see that I have a table, but there is no style. So what I will do, I will give style to the table. So another thing, if you see my previous project, I have biodata in the middle or in the center. So let me do it first. So for that I will not use any class. Instead I will use style in the tag, st text. So let me write style. So text align center, and let's say padding, give padding, some padding top, let's say 10 pixel. Okay, so if I save it and go to the browser, so here now you can see nice and center. So now I will work with the table. So in a table, as all of you know, that I have taken a class. So the name of the class is education TL. So I copied it, and let's go to the, so after other information, let me paste it. So for table, first what I will do, I will give border curves, border curves, and then I will give width, let's say 100%. Okay, then I will make the text align to center. So if I save it and go to the browser, so now you can see it has taken the whole width. So now let me work with the table head, table rows. Okay, so for that, first I have education T. So let's set TD, sorry, let's set TH, or the same thing. Let's set TD. So I will give both of them still at the same time. So what I will do, I will give border for this. So let's say border one, sorry, 1 pixel solid. The color will be let's say DDD, same, not white, similar. Then I will give padding, let's say 8 pixel. Okay, and after that what I will do, I will work with tier nth. Okay, I will work with tier, sorry, first I need to take educational tier, then tier, or maybe tier, And then as all of you know that there is a, if I go there, so as all of you know that this is tier. Okay, so this is suppose if I think that this is n through, or suppose this is one through, then this is second row, third row, fourth row, so n through, sorry, child, sorry, n child, n child, let's say twice n, so the so the event child. So what I will do with the event child, I will give background color to be white. So another thing, what I can do, okay, and let me finish it now. And then again, let's say education T. So let me give hover, so hover, so I will change the background color. That's it, background color, let's say what I will have in other row, DDD. So after that, let me work with th. So now th. So for th, what I will do, I will give padding top 12 pixel, and padding bottom 12 pixel as well. Okay, you can take your one choice. So background color, I will give like as I also know that I have given little darky mode. So, and the color will be, let's say, white. So if I save it now and go to my browser again and refresh it, so now all of you can see this is the actually about page, and you can see this hover, and you can see the difference, right? So this is for the about page. So in the next video I will work with contact page. As all of you know that there is nothing in contact page, and in my previous project I have a form, so I will work with it. So thank you.